Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here, Thailand, Kopangan with the daily market recap. Like, subscribe and stay with me till the end of the video. As usual, we will start with the SPY, open with a gap up and basically just move sideways throughout the day. As we can see, zoom in to check the 65 minutes candles. Why 65? Because 6 candles of 65 minutes gives us a full daily candle. And as we can see, while we zoom in, open gap, sideways move for now throughout February, at least this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, sideways move on the SPY. Overall, we are in a bullish market. Do not fight the trend. Do not look for the next short because you will get burned out. Same as the QQQ. After a few days, 2 weeks can say, sideways move. Now, looks like bulls make decision. But if we zoom in also on the QQQ, we can clearly see gap up, sideways move, nothing much, super dangerous price action. Super dangerous. Sit and wait. Look at the Dow Jones. Also, Tuesday, we got ourselves an inside candle. Wednesday, we got ourselves a very tight price action at doji. But we are still above this green line. This green line helps us to identify first the trend, which we are inside a bull's market, bull's trend. Next, we are above the yellow zone. So we are in a bull's market. IWM continues to show relative weakness. We are still below a sell signal. We are still below the yellow zone. We have a lower high. If we will break below the 187, this double top scenario will get fully validated and we will see 182, 176, and this gap at the 170 overall IWM Russell 2000, nothing much. Look at the MAGs, the Magnificent 7 ETF today gave us almost 2% to the upside. Shortly we will go all these Magnificent 7 stocks one by one and we will see why and who pushed the MAGs, the Magnificent 7, to the upside. Now we are about to hit the 37, 38 area. This upper trend line with this upper channel, overall Magnificent 7 still in control. Bulls are in full power ahead. SOXX holding above the yellow zone. The yellow zone is the most important zone of support and resistance according to the FTI version 5. The FTI version 5, for those who don't know, this is how the chart looks without it. This is how the chart looks with it. Above the yellow zone, but still sideways move. It doesn't mean that we need to go and buy long the first buy signal we see. It just means that we need to prepare. Something is going to happen. We are sideways move above the yellow zone. I want to see continuation above the 607 and then we will see 628 to the upside. KRE, another day, another downside, holding barely the 45 area. Doji, but looks like the KRE needs to fill this gap. The 44 and maybe even the 42 gap also needs to get filled. Otherwise, bulls of the KRE, bulls of the IWM, the Russell 2000, will have a very difficult time to continue to the upside. Bitcoin 0.7% finally made some move, but we are still inside the no trading zone. The yellow zone, the no trading zone according to the FTI. Yes, we can trade everything that we want to trade with the FTI. Everything on any time frame. Crypto, stocks, ETFs, Forex, short, long, swing, day trading, just one click away. We are still inside the no trading zone. The yellow zone is the no trading zone. Look what happens when price is inside this zone. Chop, sideways move. If we want to go long on the Bitcoin, we need a break. At least, in my opinion, I would wait to see another 2-3 days breaking above the yellow zone, and then with high probability, we will meet the 50 to the upside once again. Overall, we have these trend lines that are also based on the Fibonacci. Everything is based on the Fibonacci. As you can see, Fibonacci levels, Fibonacci trend lines, all according to the Fibonacci. Why? Because everything in trading is Fibonacci. Everything follows Fibonacci. If you don't believe me, perfectly fine. Do your own research. I've done my research in the first 2 years until I became a profitable trader. I looked for that one tool that will give me where price might be heading next with the highest probability. Ethereum inside the yellow zone. Now let's see, can bulls of Ethereum can take us up and above the 25. Microsoft, the new leader of 2024, 2% to the upside. Bulls of Microsoft woke up after 2 weeks of sideways move. Now let's see above 415. We will see 430, and then, ladies and gentlemen, we are heading towards this upper trend line at the 450 area. This is exactly the reason why the MAGS 7 ETF, the Magnificent 7 ETF, gave us the 2% to the upside. Microsoft, Apple, nothing much. Barely moved today. Still inside the yellow zone. Bulls of Apple wants to get out of this yellow zone. This is how Apple looks without the FTI version 5. You need to do everything by yourself, which is perfectly fine. This is how you know how to trade. This is how you become a better trader. Do everything by yourself. We had a downtrend, bounce of this lower border of this broadening formation. We can take this upper border of the broadening formation here. Now you have a smaller, tighter broadening formation. Now we are at the 618 Fibonacci level. Above this one, we will see 195 and 200 to the upside. But overall, we have high, lower high, and until we will not break above this high, we are still not out of the woods. This double top scenario on Apple. And if you're lazy, just one click away, FTI version 5 inside the no trading zone. Look at Meta, 3.3% to the upside. If we thought, even for just 1 second, that Meta will close this gap, bulls of Meta came, pushed Meta back above 2 previous candles highs. Now let's see breaking above the 480, and then we will see 420 and 480 to the upside. Overall, Microsoft, Meta are the new leaders of the SPY, and the QQQ took over Apple's leadership. Nvidia 2.75 to the upside. Nvidia, the beast that never stops. Now let's see, we are at the 700, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, yes, Nvidia 700. Everybody asks me when Nvidia will go back, when we will see a pullback on Nvidia. Stop looking for the pullback. You are still looking for the pullback since the 500. Maybe it will never show. Nvidia until February 21st, where earnings will come out. In my opinion, Nvidia will go inside this uptrend channel next 840. Netflix 0.6 to the upside, but overall nothing much on Netflix. doji over after doji, sideways move, 555 is holding, 580 resistance, long continuation above the 580 towards 611 and then 650. Tesla another green day, but with a doji still below the sell pressure. As long as we see, this is the beauty of the FTI version 5. It helps us to think clearly. It helps us to understand better the language of the market. The language of the market is price action, pure price action, no noise, only candlestick analysis, pure price action. And the FTI version 5 helps us to understand it. How? It translates us what we see. Downtrend. This is why we have these trend lines based on the Fibonacci. We have the Fibonacci levels. We have the sell and buy signals. And we have the red line. Everything for now screams Tesla, no go for longs. Shopify 4.4% to the upside. We took long today on Shopify in the premium room. And for those who don't know, this is the Fibonacci-Traders Discord. We have trading floor, premium room, exclusive lounge. We have the options room. We have crypto miners, general chat, of course. Same thing in English, same thing in Hebrew. Even when I'm in vacation mode, super active premium room, super active swing lounge. We took, as you can see, Roku, CLSK, Booking, AXON. So if you want to get, first, if you want to get a better trader and become a better trader and join a team of professional traders, there is no other place rather than the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Whether you are day trader, swing trader, options trader, crypto trader, it doesn't matter. This is the only place for you because we trade what we see. We do not trade noise. Also, we have a special room for the FTI. Everything that you need under one roof. We have the university. We have several paths that you can choose from. Each path, whether it's the one-on-one mentorship, whether it's the online course, whether it's the 60 minutes crash course, gold membership, group learnings, we have also group learnings. Choose your path. I guarantee. Doesn't matter which path you will choose. It's another step closer to become a successful trader. Because once you join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, you've done what you should. Now it's only, everything is on me. I need to prove to you that you made the right choice. So join us. All the links in the description below and in the first comment. Amazon moving sideways. We need to close the week above the 173 and then we will see 175 to the upside. AMD inside candle. AMD still above the yellow zone, as you can see, but look left. Not very far left. Just a few days ago, we had this high over here. Then we had this high over here. Lower highs. We are sideways move. Bulls of AMD knows that they need to protect this yellow zone from the upside. Breaking down another, going inside this yellow zone, and with the highest probability, 80-85% chance, this double top scenario will take us back to the 145. Google, 1% to the upside, trying to break above, still inside the yellow zone, breaking up, above, weekly close above the yellow zone, and with the highest probability, this gap next week will get filled. So if you want to become a better trader, if you want 2024 to be your year, check the links in the description below. Join us in the Fibonacci Traders Discord. I promise you, you will see things you never saw before. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because we are going live, vacation or not, every day, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, getting ready for the next trading day. Until then, stay safe.